Hello everyone. So here's a question on a rational number, and the question is find 5 rational numbers between. We have 3 questions here. The first one is 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Second one is minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. And the last one is 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. Let's begin with the first one. So here we have our answer or solution. So the first one is we have to find out 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. The very first step with what you do here when you're finding out a rational number is we have to just check the denominators are same or not. In this case it is 3 and 5 and they are not same. So the very first step will be we have to make it same, and we can make it same by taking LCM. So here the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now we're going to change the denominator, and when do that, numerator also get changed. So here 2 upon 3, with 3 we have to multiply 5, so multiply 5 in the numerator also, and this will be equal to 10 upon 15. And similarly we have a 4 upon 5, so with 5 multiply 3 in the numerator again, so this will become 12 upon 15. Right, now we have to find out here 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Now remember what we got here, that is 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15 are actually equivalent rational number or equivalent rational form of 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So here, instead of finding out between this two, that is 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5, we're going to find out between 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. But if you observe here, between 10 to 12, there's only one number, which is 11 upon 15. But in the question, they're asking us to find out 5 rational numbers. But we got only one rational number. So we have to find out 4 more. So in such case, what we're going to do here is we're going to find out one more equivalent rational form of this number, that is 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15, so that the gap will be more and we can find out much rational numbers between them. Now to get the equivalent form, we can do one thing, we can multiply with any number, but make sure that the number is a bit large so that the gap will be more. So here I'm going to multiply with 5, or you can multiply even with more. So I'll just going to multiply with 5. So 10 upon 15, I'm multiplying with 5 in the numerator and denominator again. So this will become 50 upon 75. Okay, and similarly the second number 12 upon 15, remember you should multiply with the same number for both. So this will become 60 upon 75. Now if you observe between 50 and 60, there's a lot of gap, right? And from here we can able to calculate, or we can able to get rational numbers. So it's on you with what number you're going to multiply, but make sure that gap is much and you can able to get more number from there. So therefore we can take any number. See, we have a 51 upon 75, 52 upon 75. I'll just write down here, and so on up to 59 upon 75. Never include the given number. 50 upon 75 and 60 upon 75 we should not include. We should exclude them and write down the numbers between. So from 51 upon 75 to 59 upon 75, you can just pick any 5 rational numbers and you can write down. So from here we can conclude, therefore, so we'll take 51 upon 75, 52 upon 75, 53 upon 75, 54 upon 75, and one more we want, so 55 upon 75 are 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Now it's not necessary that every time you should get this answer. It's on you with what number you're multiplying, and it will vary from person to person. It's all upon what equivalent rational number they got it. Okay, this was the first question. Let's go for the second one. In second one we have minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. So let's start solving the second one. Now again, if you see the second question, the denominators are not same. So again we have to make it same by taking LCM. But before that, let us write down the question. It is minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. Now LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now let's change the number. So minus 3 upon 2. With 2 we have to multiply 3. So multiply 3 in the numerator. It becomes minus 9 upon 6. Now for second number we have a 5 upon 3. So multiply with 3 we should multiply 2. So multiply 2 in the numerator. It becomes 10 upon 6. Now here if you observe, between minus 9 to 10 there are a lot of number. So here we don't have to multiply again with one more number. That is, like, we don't have to bring one more equivalent form. It's sufficient. At this step we can stop, like we don't have to multiply further. Now between minus 9 upon 6 to 10 upon 6 we have many numbers like minus 8 upon 6, minus 7 upon 6, so on up to 9 upon 6. Just take a 5 numbers from there. So we can say that I'll just start with minus 8. So minus 8 upon 6. Then I'll just take randomly 5 numbers. Minus 7 upon 6. We can also write down 0 upon 6. Even 0 is also there. So 0. And then we have 1 upon 6. And then 2 upon 6. And then I'm taking 3 upon 6. But make sure that they're lying between minus 9 to 10. Between that. So these are the 5 rational numbers. I guess I have taken a 6 here. So I'll just exclude the 3 upon 6. I'll just remove it. So minus 8 upon 6, minus 7 upon 6, 0. It's like 0 upon 6 we can write down, or we can write down just simply 0. And 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6 are 5 rational numbers between minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. Okay, so this was second question. Let's go with third one now. Now in third question we have 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. So first write down the question, and that is 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. Again the first step is to take a LCM because denominators are not same. So LCM of 4 and 2 will be 4. Now for the first number we don't have to change because already 4 is present in denominator, and for the second number it is 2. So we have to multiply 2 with 2 in the numerator and denominator. It becomes 2 upon 4. Now we have 2 numbers, that is 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 4. Now we observe that between 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 4 there is no gap at all. In that case we have to increase the gap by multiplying with a number, a certain number. It could be anything. So here, since you have to find out 5 rational numbers, so just make sure that you take more than 5, so that it will be, gap will be more and you can find out more. So again I'm going to go with 10, or you can take anything. I'm going to go with 10 because 10 is a big number and also it's easy to calculate. So 1 upon 4 I'm going to multiply with 10 in the numerator and denominator. It becomes 10 upon 40. And similarly 2 upon 4 we have multiply 10 in the numerator and denominator. This is going to give us 20 upon 40. Now between 10 to 20 we have a lot of numbers. Just take any 5 numbers from there. So therefore we can conclude that 11 upon 40, I'm just taking random numbers, 13 upon 40, and then we have a 16 upon 40. We can take 18 upon 40 and 19 upon 40. Just take any numbers lying between 10 to 20, but make sure that you're not including both the numbers in between them. So they are 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. That's it. I hope it's clear to you. If you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment below, and thank you so much for watching.